All right, so here is today's math practice, and you can write that as your title, math practice. And if you even wanted to write this on the line. And today is April 15, 2020, the day after the Titanic sank, the day the Carpathia rescued the survivors. Plot the letter for each value onto the number line. Place tick marks as needed. Letter D, 1.5, has been done for you. So I think the very first thing, I want you to take a look at the whole question. So if you can do this on your own, please pause the video and get started. And I'm not going to set you up very far. I mean, it is saying you need to put these different letters here on the number line. So for example, 1.5, D, they put it here, 1.5, that is 1.5. So, excuse me. So, let's copy first this number line for sure. Okay, and 0, 2, find the middle, that's 1. And then here we have 0.5, and here 1.5, and this is D. And if I were you, I would just copy this. Ooh, very strange noise. Copy this here. So A, that's 1/2. B, 1/4. 2/10. C, 2/10. Okay? And then I cannot help you with the rest. You need to do this on your own. I do tell you. 1.5. 1.3. This is one whole. One whole. So what is this one? What is this one? Okay, I'm not helping anymore. Sorry. Number 2. Your friend finds it hard to understand decimals. She asks, in a number like 2.4, I know 4 is in the 10th place. But what does that really mean? Write a note and/or draw a model to help her understand. So I am not going to help you so much, but I will tell you this. We have this number, 2.4, and this person says 4 is in the 10th place. So I want you to explain, what does that mean? You can explain it in words or with a model. Okay, a model. All right, if this is a tricky one and I'm not helping enough, do give me a call. You can also take a photo of this now and do it at home. Okay? And one more. Two more. So number 3 here. Identify a number that would be greater than 1.5, but less than 2. Represent the number as a decimal, a mixed number in word form, and make a model. Decimal, mixed number, word form, model. So you've got a lot of stuff to do here. So if you can do this on your own, then go forward and do it. it is saying you need to identify one number that would be greater than 1.5, but less than 2. What number is that? So it is asking you to identify it in all of these different ways. So you need to identify it as a decimal. This is an example of a decimal. So what number is a decimal? It also says that is a number that is a decimal that is bigger than 1.5, muy grande de esta, but más chiquita, smaller than this one. So it's saying it also needs to be a mixed number. So I remind you that this 3 3/5 is un ejemplo, an example of a mixed number. So esta, this, as a fraction, una fracción. And then this one, word form. So, los parábolas. So how can you write this in words? And finally, it is asking for a model. Okay, so how can you draw this? How can you draw it? Okay? And let's look at the last one. Place the following decimals on the number line below. So you have all of these decimals, 2.8, 0.28, 2.08, and you need to put them on the number line. And then you need to compare 2.8, 0.28, and 2.08 using the relational symbols greater than, less than, and or equal to. So we're going to first, for sure, copy the number line 0, 1, 2, 3, and then you need to put 2.8, 0.28, and 2.08. You need to put them on this line. And then you need to use this, this, or this to compare. Which one is the biggest one? Which one is the smallest one? Okie dokie. That's isn't that all of them? Yep, that's all of them for today. You can take a photo if you want. Please send me your work. Bye-bye.